Space exploration has been an exciting subject for humans for a long time. The idea of exploring the universe beyond our planet has been a dream of many, and in recent years, the focus has shifted towards Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and has been the subject of much fascination and exploration by scientists, engineers, and space enthusiasts. In this video, we will explore the various reasons why Mars is the next big frontier for human space exploration. Similarities to Earth. First and foremost, both Earth and Mars are rocky planets. They both have solid surfaces and are primarily composed of rock and metal. This means that they share a similar geological history, with volcanoes, impact craters, and other geological features that are similar in appearance. Another interesting similarity is the presence of water. While Earth has vast oceans and lakes, Mars has long been thought to be a dry and barren planet. However, recent discoveries have shown that Mars may have once had large bodies of water on its surface, and there is still the possibility of underground water sources. This similarity is particularly intriguing when it comes to the possibility of finding life on Mars, as water is one of the key ingredients necessary for life as we know it. Both Earth and Mars also have atmospheres, although they are quite different in composition. Earth's atmosphere is rich in oxygen and nitrogen, while Mars' atmosphere is much thinner and primarily composed of carbon dioxide. Despite these differences, both planets experience weather patterns, such as dust storms and temperature changes. Perhaps one of the most interesting similarities between Earth and Mars is the potential for exploration and colonization. While Earth is our home planet and has been the center of human civilization for thousands of years, Mars presents an exciting opportunity for us to expand beyond our planet and explore the possibilities of living on another world. One of the main reasons why Mars is such a desirable destination for human exploration is its similarity to Earth. The planet is around half the size of Earth, and its gravity is roughly 38% that of Earth. This makes it a perfect testing ground for developing technology that can be used to explore further into space. Mars' day and year are also similar to Earth's, with a day lasting around 24.6 hours and a year lasting around 687 Earth days. This means that humans would not have to adjust their circadian rhythms as much as they would on other planets. Discovering evidence of life. The potential for discovering evidence of past or present life on Mars is another significant factor in why the planet is the next big frontier for human space exploration. While we haven't yet found any direct evidence of life on Mars, scientists believe that the planet may have once been habitable. The presence of water on the planet's surface and the potential for subsurface water ice suggests that the planet could have supported microbial life in the past. In addition, recent discoveries of organic molecules on Mars provide further evidence that the planet may have once harbored life. Recently, NASA's Mars rover, Perseverance, has made an incredible discovery that has scientists buzzing with excitement. They have discovered evidence of life on Mars. Yes, you read that right, life on Mars. Now, before we get too ahead of ourselves, let's break down what this discovery actually means. Perseverance, which landed on Mars earlier this year, has been busy exploring the Jezero crater, a site that was once a river delta billions of years ago. One of its primary missions is to collect rock and soil samples that will be brought back to Earth for further analysis. During one of its recent excursions, Perseverance collected a sample of rock that contained some intriguing features. Upon closer examination, scientists discovered tiny fossilized structures that resemble microbial life. While they're not 100% certain that these structures are indeed evidence of past life on Mars, the discovery is significant and certainly warrants further investigation. This discovery is incredibly exciting for a few reasons. For starters, it gives us hope that there could be life beyond Earth. It also opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for exploration and research. If there was once life on Mars, who's to say that there isn't still life lurking somewhere on the planet? This discovery could also give us insight into the origins of life and how it may have evolved on other planets. Of course, there are still many unanswered questions and more work to be done. The samples collected by Perseverance will need to be carefully analyzed to determine if these structures are indeed evidence of life. Even if they are, we will need to figure out how they got there, how they survived on a planet with such harsh conditions, and whether there could be other forms of life on Mars. But for now, let's take a moment to appreciate this incredible discovery and the possibilities that it opens up for the future of space exploration. Who knows what other discoveries are waiting for us out there in the vast expanse of the universe? One thing is for sure, we'll keep searching until we find out. Challenges of Mars exploration. From its distinctive reddish hue to the possibility of extraterrestrial life, Mars has captured our imagination like no other planet in our solar system. But as we've learned over the years, exploring this planet is no easy feat. Here are just a few of the many challenges that we face when it comes to Mars exploration. First and foremost, the distance between Earth and Mars is immense. It takes an average of 7 months for a spacecraft to travel from Earth to Mars, and that's assuming that everything goes perfectly. During that period, the spacecraft is subject to a wide range of potential hazards, from radiation exposure to equipment malfunctions. Even once the spacecraft reaches Mars, it still has to land safely on the planet's surface, which is no small feat. It takes around 7 to 8 months to travel to Mars using current technology, and communication delays can be up to 20 minutes each way. This means that astronauts will have to be self-sufficient for long periods, making Mars missions much more challenging than those to the International Space Station. Another major challenge of Mars exploration is the harsh environment that the planet presents. Mars is a cold, dry, and dusty place, with a thin atmosphere that provides little protection from the sun's harmful radiation. This makes it difficult to design spacecraft and equipment that can survive the extreme conditions on the planet. For example, Mars rovers like Curiosity have to be built to withstand extreme temperatures and sandstorms, while still being able to conduct scientific experiments and collect data. In addition to these technical challenges, there are also a number of logistical and financial challenges associated with Mars exploration. Sending a spacecraft to Mars requires a massive amount of resources, including funding, personnel, and infrastructure. It also requires a high level of international cooperation, as multiple countries and organizations are involved in various aspects of Mars exploration. Despite all of these challenges, however, the drive to explore Mars persists. Why? Because Mars represents an incredible opportunity for scientific discovery and human exploration. By studying Mars, we can learn more about the history of our solar system and the potential for life beyond Earth. And, perhaps most importantly, exploring Mars is a critical step towards eventually sending humans to other planets in our solar system and beyond. So, while the challenges of Mars exploration are certainly daunting, they're also a testament to the incredible ingenuity and perseverance of the human spirit. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in space exploration, we can look to Mars as a shining example of what we can achieve when we work together towards a common goal. Do you think we will be able to land a human on Mars in the near future? Let us know in the comments below.